purpose, capture the primary user identity, name, basic profile, so reminders and history tied to a person and caregivers can identify who the data belongs to. Benefit, personalized experience and simple contact info for caregiver and clinicians. Medication management, add, edit, delete. Purpose, let users record each medicine dosage and schedule time. Benefit, organize multiple medication, reduce dosing errors and enable automated reminders. Reminders notification with SNOWS. Purpose, deliver timely actionable alerts when a dose is due. SNOWS provides a short defer option if the users can take the dose immediately. Benefit, reduce missed doses while letting users delay safety.
Medication history log. Purpose. Record when doses are marked as taken, time-stamped, history. Benefit. Creates an adherence trail for users, caregivers, and clinicians to review missed or taken doses and trends over time. Simple dashboard or summary card. Purpose. Provide at a glance matrix total needs. Next reminder. Benefit. Quick situational awareness so users or caregivers can see immediate needs without digging through lists. Local notifications, action, handling mark, taken, or SNOWS. Purpose. Allow quick actions directly from notifications, mark as taken or SNOWS, so users can respond without opening the app. And the benefit, faster, frictionless adherence tracking.
Local storage, SQLite with in-memory fallback. The purpose is persist medications, history, and profile locally in memory. Fallback keeps the app usable on platforms without persistent SQLite support. Benefit, offline first, reliability, and immediate usability across platforms. Sample dataset on first run. Purpose is to populate the app with example medication to demonstrate flows immediately. Benefit, faster evaluation and manual testing without needing to add data first.
Caregiver remote monitoring, share medication lists and adherence reports with caregivers. So the purpose enable oversight and intervention when adherence problems appear. Pharmacy refill reminders or integration. Purpose detect low supplies and remind user to refill supplies or route refill requests to partner pharmacies. Voice activated reminders. Purpose hands-free reminders and confirmation for users with limited dexterity or vision. Health device integration for smart pill boxes. Purpose is automatically detect pill removals and confirm adherence without manual marking. Data export for clinicians. Purpose is export adherence reports or CSV or PDF to support appointments and treatment decisions.